There is one little danger for this kind of question, though, which is that a lot of salespeople are trained to deliberately give you the more expensive option. So just keep that in mind. If you ask for advice, you're usually going to get the more expensive one. Yeah. And right, the other kind of situation that you might get when you're asking about products is when you're asking about the specific features or specifications. Okay, so this is a question of specifications. Now, do you guys know what a specification is? A specification is like a special feature or quality that your product has. Right. Now, there's usually two different situations. So the first one is when the product comes with some extras. Okay. Now, an extra is basically you're buying the main product plus something else. Okay. So for example, let's see. So for example, does this computer come with Windows X or something like that? Right. That's the kind of question you might ask. So if you're buying a new computer, you might ask, does it come with software, right? Or does it come with, for example, Microsoft Office for free? Right. So, or you might say something like, if you're at a restaurant, right, does this meal include fries? Right. So that's an example of a feature that might be included on top of whatever it is you're buying. And it's definitely worth asking that kind of thing because sometimes they don't actually give it to you for free, even if they can. Right. Now, the other type of specification is what we call a synergy, right, or a matching specification. So, for example, this is a situation where do these headphones, right, work with Apple computers? Right. So sometimes you just need to check if two things match together. Okay. Or, are these meals vegetarian? Right. So these are some very common types of sentence examples when you're asking for specifications. You're asking for specific qualities or features of an item. Right. And you shouldn't be shy. You have to remember that it's the store assistant's job to actually tell you these kinds of details.